Hello everyone, back again with another video for you. Today, after many months, I finally found out how to work out my coffee machine that was given to me by my beautiful aunt that you saw yesterday on my previous video. So guys, the reason it took me so long because I never had enough time to work on a coffee machine, but I recently bought a coffee nearby to my place, and while drinking that coffee, I thought about the gift that aunt gave me. Today, I decided to free up some time and really research and find out how to make the coffee machine work. It really wasn't so complicated as I thought it was. In this era of YouTube and Google, you can find out anything that you want to know in minutes. So that's what I did, guys. I cleaned up a coffee machine, took a short drive to the supermarket, went step by step on the instructions, and voila, there you go, is my coffee. So guys, that made my day today, so no more boring coffee. That's why stay tuned with me for more videos coming up to you very soon. Cup of my cup, so I'm just gonna press that one and wait until it's finished the process. It's gonna coming or releasing the coffee liquid that we put it on, and you will see once it's finished, the machine stops as well. See that there? So guys, the coffee is already finished, so I'm gonna give them a little bit of stir because we put a little bit of sugar in it. Now the last procedure is we're gonna heat up our milk in a steamer. This is the steamer button. We're just gonna press this on, and we finish the blinking. And once we finish the blinking, yeah, so now you see guys, it's finished the blinking now. We're gonna turn the circle button on the side of the coffee machine. Just to make the milk hot. As I try this one, guys, 2 or 3 times, we need to heat up the milk for 2 minutes to 3 minutes because I love extra hot. Okay, guys, you better see, when you put it down, it's just gonna make a noise and it makes your milk bubbles. So you better put it up so it won't create more bubbles. And you're gonna feel in here on the surface of the stainless steel. You're gonna feel the heat. So now it's already 2 minutes, guys. Oh, it's too hot. You just have to be very, very careful. So after 2 minutes of heating up, it's very, very hot. So now I'm just gonna starting to pour it in my coffee cup. So you just have to pour it, circle around like that. That's it. Now, as you've seen, my coffee is already almost half. It's very nice, guys. It's very rich, and I really like it because I am a coffee lover. So now guys, we're done. We're just gonna grabbing a clean wet cloth just to clean this up. Why wet cloth? Because it's hot, and you need to make sure that you're gonna removing those bubbles of the milk in it, and you can't be able to hold it because it's hot. At least you have something wet in your hand. So after wiping it, you just see the bottom here, you just gonna turn, keep on turning, just to release the excess milk that goes inside. So nothing now. Okay guys, for us to remove the excess coffee cups that we put it in, we have to open this one on the top, and see there, you didn't see any more you know, the capsules there. There's no more capsules there, so they are in here, and that's already been used. We are going to throw them away, and we're gonna wash this one. So guys, at the back of the coffee machine, there's a water jug, transparent water jug. You see the water is already lower down. So when you want to make a coffee, you must make sure that the water is on the max. It's in here, it's in this line here, the max. You can either remove this and fill it up in your water tap, or you get a jar just to pour some water in. So guys, this is the this jar can make few coffees. So make sure that when you're making a coffee, it's always on a max. So once it's going down, you can still make another 1 cup of coffee in here, but make sure that there's always a water. So this is the kind of coffee capsule that I bought, that is really specifically for the ELECTROLUX Coffee Machine that my Auntie Wilma gave it to me. So I'm very happy now. It took me a little while to work it out, you know, what kind of coffee capsules I'm going to use, and how can I use the or operate the coffee machines. So now it's I finally, you know, made it and successfully operate the machine. This is now will be my coffee, kind of coffee every morning, or kind of coffee every day. You know, I love coffee. I'm a coffee lover. I can have coffee more than 3 times a day. So this is the kind of coffee capsules that is for my ELECTROLUX coffee machine. Thank you, Auntie Wilma, for giving that coffee machine to me. I'm very happy now that I have one. Thank you. Hi guys, we are going to taste my coffee that we made from my ELECTROLUX coffee machine that my aunt gave me. Very yummy. So why not making your own? Bye!
You're